Nang nag-host, gidawaan kita sa aton host man, which is Tatoy's Manokan and Seafoods. Gani ka pasalamat kita kay masking wala sila ya, nag-intra sa aton yung Iloilos Best Tasting Lechon Competition. Sige lang sila yapon hatag because of course, that's their way of saying thank you sa ilang mga patrons or ang mga loyalista gid nga wala gid ga-absent kadto sa Tatoy. So madami nga salamat sa inyo. Kag kung nakita nyo kanina, may ali man diri naghatag man lechon ang Tatoys for our guests nga nagkato, hindi lang para sa mga judges.
Yes.
So kay Lolo Tatoy kag sa bilog nga nga Tatoy's Manokan, madami nga salamat.
Our first special award for best tasting lechon is Best Float.
The best float will receive 3,000 pesos.
Our best float for best tasting lechon is entry number 2, Sarios Lechon. Congratulations!
Judges kanina, Chef Brando Santos, Chef Kenneth Cacho, and Kim Boy Feliciano. Nga ari man diri subong, later makastorya naton siya.
The next special award is the Best in Decoration and Presentation.
Best in Decor will receive 5,000 pesos.
Best Tasting Lechon, Best Decoration and Presentation is entry number 5, Ray Ray Pregabit Lechon. And a representative from Ray Ray Lechon. Ang masunod naton nga award is Best Tasting Lechon, Best Liver Sauce.
Best Liver Sauce will receive 5,000 pesos.
Our Best Liver Sauce is entry number 5, Ray Ray Pregabe Lechon.
Alright, Reyna, subok naman nga gusto ko lang i-clarify. Mag-award kita sa second prize, first prize, and champion. But hindi nga masad ang aton two remaining participants because mag-receive man sila sa consolation prize. Kada isa sa ila will receive 15,000 pesos.
Ay, not bad.
Wow, yes. So hindi kayo uuwi luwaan. Alright?
Now, our second runner-up.
Yes, second prize. Okay.
Second runner-up for the Best Tasting Lechon.
The second runner-up or the second place will receive. The second runner-up will receive 20,000 pesos.
Our second runner-up for Best Tasting Lechon is entry number 2, Sarios Lechon. Sarios Lechon. Now, our first runner-up
The first runner-up will receive 27,000 pesos.
Our first runner-up for Best Tasting Lechon is entry number 5, Rai Rai Plingabe Lechon.
Ready na kita to announce to everyone kung sino malaya ang aton yung champion or the best tasting lechon competition champion. Congratulations! You will receive 31,000 pesos.
Our Iloilo's best tasting lechon is entry number 1, Angel Main Lechon.
Na sila. Makadto na sila sa stage.
Once again from Angel's Lechon, congratulations. Our 2025 Best Tasting Lechon.
Buwan tabuan. Ay, tingin mo. Gusto kong ulo. Okay. Reina?
And now before anything else, we'd like